Here's how to fix if the Instagram story music feature is just not available. Now, if you're on Instagram and you're trying to create a story, a photo, or a video, and you're trying to add music, but the feature just isn't available, it's not showing up, I'm going to show you how to fix that. So let's open up Instagram here, and I'm going to tap on your story at the top left. Now, I can either upload a photo or I'm just going to take a quick video, say, of this remote right here. Say I took this video and I wanted to add music to it. I can tap the little smiley face at the top right here. And then you can see in the middle of the screen is a sticker called music. Now, if you don't see it, you can always hit the search and search for music and tap on it. And then it's as easy as just tapping on a song and you've added that music. You can switch over and format it however you want, all of that stuff. But say, for instance, if that music sticker is not there, let's go back here. If you're not seeing a music sticker on here, what I recommend doing is the next step is taking a screenshot. So let's take a screenshot right here. And then what we're going to do is get out of here, go back to just the normal Instagram here, and you're going to take your phone and you're going to shake it like that. And it said, did something go wrong? Do you want to report a problem? And I'm going to hit report a problem. And then I'm going to hit include and continue. And then I can tap on upload right here, and I'm going to upload that screenshot and hit done. Now, basically what I've done is uploaded the screenshot indicating that I don't have that music feature. And I'm just going to say on here that even though I updated my app, I still don't have music to add to my story. Please help. So basically what you're going to do is send this over to Instagram. They're going to look into it because everybody should be able to add music to their story. So if you're running into this problem, then most likely it's a bug or a glitch. Of course, on here, you need to make sure that you've updated the app to the latest version, just to make sure that there are no bugs or glitches that could be causing you to not get that music on your story. But after you go through this whole process, just hit send at the top right, and they should get back to you within a few days and help you fix that problem and get you that music feature. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.